Hello guys, morning. It's a very good Sunday morning. I would like to welcome you guys all to this new YouTube channel which I've just opened. I'm called Abdullah Timothy, and this YouTube channel bears the same name. When you go to your phone or your computer, you type my name to bring all the information about this channel. So this channel will basically be on tutorials. I will make most of my tutorials about health related informations and also the basic computer skills. These computer skills will basically cover Microsoft Offices, that is about the Excel, the Word, and then PowerPoint. Away from that, we shall also see more things about email, how to manage your email account, and if you don't have any email account still, I'll provide more information about how to open an email account, and also we shall have management of YouTube account. Still, if you don't have a YouTube account, we shall also see some information on how to open a YouTube account. And then concerning health related information, I'll have videos on mental health awarenesses, special things to do with how to manage stress, depression and anxiety. I will also talk about the women health, basically on things to do with the menstruation. And then I will also have things to do with the disease awareness, some of the common diseases that people have at home. So by staying connected to this channel, you will know how to handle some of such diseases at home before going to the hospital. So I'll be giving just some basic information about them, but not about their managements. If I'm going to talk about their managements, then the management will be things that you can do at home, but the final management will be done at the hospital. I'll also talk about the prevention of major diseases that people experience at home. I will also talk more about some of the medical procedures, things like giving basic first aid when you're at home, like taking care of your wound, how to clean them, at the same time how to, like if someone has dislocation, how to give that first aid before you take the person to the hospital. This is just some brief outline of what we are going to see in this channel, but still there will be a lot of things coming, which I will really request you guys to stay tuned and follow. So my videos will be uploaded after every 1 week. So after every 1 week, you expect a new video from this very channel. Away from that, I have some few requests that I want to put forward. The first request is about the comment. I'd like you guys to use the comment section, especially when you have some queries you want to put forward, or you want me to talk about a particular topic. You can put under the comment section. I'll be going through and check. About that also, I would like to talk about liking the videos and sharing them with the loved ones. And then also the subscribers, I would like subscription to this channel. You can inform other people to do the same. Subscription to this particular channel. Doing this will actually mean a lot to me, and it will be beneficial. So that is basically about the introductory part for this particular channel. But as I promised, there will be a lot of videos coming. Tomorrow is going to be Monday, and I would like you guys to be well prepared before you enter into a new week, and make sure you have all the plans of things you are supposed to do in the coming new week. So have a very good day and have a very good weekdays to come. Thanks so much. See you next week.